So once again, we're staying in the object layer properties.dwg file, and what we're going to have a look at now is some of the layer tools that are available. Now, obviously, most of the time you'll just be changing layers or adding new layers to your AutoCAD drawing. But if you look in the layers panel here, you'll notice there's lots and lots of little commands here that you can utilize that are often useful when you're working in your AutoCAD drawings. So if we start hovering over some of these, let's have a look at what they do. So you can turn the layer off of a selected object. So if I selected, say, that one there, which is the polyline, and it's on the layer bolt. So if I click on the command and I select the object on the layer to be turned off, let's do that like that. It turns everything off because that entire bolt is on the bolt layer. So I press enter like so, and you'll see that that has disappeared. You haven't deleted it, all you've done is turned the layer off. So if I go to the layer drop down now, you'll see that the light bulb is blue, indicating that the bolt layer is off. If I click on the light bulb, it goes yellow, turn it on again, everything comes back. I'll hit escape now to lose the layer drop down. So you can see that these global tools that you've got on the layers panel are extremely useful. So I've got this one here, which is fantastically useful. It sets the current layer to that of a selected object. So if I just move away from that for a moment, you'll notice that the current drafting layer at the moment on the layers panel is keyhole. If I now click on that command there, and I click on the hinge, watch what happens to the current layer. It changes to hinge, which is great because sometimes I might be working in a drawing and I don't know what the layer name is of the layer I want to be on. I know which objects I want to work on, but I don't know what their layer is. Rather than fool around going to the properties palette or clicking on it and working out what the layer is, I can just click on that command there and say, right, I want to work on that layer that that object is on. It's very quick and easy. Now, there are some other layer tools available to you as well. If you go to your Express Tools tab, there's various tools here as well that can be utilized with your layers as well. Now, I'm not going to go into all of your Express tools or anything like that because there is an actual course on the website for AutoCAD Express tools as well. But some of the tools in here do affect your layers as well. So check out your Express tools when you have a moment. Check out the course as well. And there's some nice layer tools and layout tools and drawing tools that work really well as well. In the meantime, let's jump back to the Home tab, ready for the next video.